Turning our eyes to the sky now with more incredible images from outer space thanks to NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. Images like this showing the cosmic cliffs, a stunning image. I talked with Deputy Senior Project Scientist Jonathan Gardner about what exactly we're looking at.
So this is a cloud of gas and dust that is forming stars within our own Milky Way galaxy.
Gardner also explained what makes Webb, which is an infrared telescope, so unique.
An infrared light, we can look through these clouds of dust and see down to where the action is, where the stars are forming and the planetary systems around those stars are forming. And these cosmic cliffs are caused by the newly formed stars kind of blowing the dust away from where they are, and then shocking and the dust and causing new stars to form. So it's a stellar nursery where stars are forming.
The James Webb Telescope is the most powerful telescope in orbit. Gardner also talked about what he expects to find in the future.
The Webb was built in part to look back in time to find galaxies that are so far away that their light has been traveling through the universe for most of the history of the universe since just after the Big Bang. We have So we're looking for galaxies that formed just after the Big Bang, the very first galaxies to form in the early universe, so that we can see how galaxies form and then how they change over time to become galaxies like the one we live in, the Milky Way. Webb is all about origins, the origins of galaxies, stars, planets, and maybe even looking for habitability on other planets.
Gardner also talked about what he looks forward to the most with the Webb telescope.
So I'm most looking forward to finding those first galaxies. And we have a deep field that we've released, which is the faintest picture that we've ever taken. But it's only just a little bit more than what we've seen with Hubble, because it was just taken in a few hours. In just a few hours, we can go fainter than Hubble can do. But what we want to do is spend a lot more time on than that, so that we can see even further and find those first galaxies. One thing that's important is that these are just the very start of the Webb Science program. We're going to be getting lots and more data in the coming months and years, and really be able to learn about our universe with Webb data.
Jonathan Gardner answering my questions from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland.